Alright, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Now, everybody is out tackling the so-called lawmakers in this country. Everybody is now like, so now this kind of country we find ourselves. I think a lot of people are now getting the full message. Yes, they are now getting the full message from this set of people. Now we have leaders that are supposed to take care of us, to stop all the rigorous things that we have been facing by these Fulani people. And then the Senate president came out and he said something. A lot of people were marveled. They never expected that kind of a statement from someone that calls himself a Senate president, Akpabio, right now. He made mention of something that has been disturbing a lot of people, and a lot of people are now like, are you sure these are the people that are ruling us? No wonder we are being hit by banditry all the time in this country. You can imagine, where we are looking for solution to stop banditry, he now came out to tell us that the only solution to stop banditry is the new national anthem that was introduced. That had it been Nigeria did not change the old national anthem, this one that they just brought in now, had it been Nigerian government did not change it, that we wouldn't have been hit by banditry. According to him, says Nigeria wouldn't have been hit by banditry if our national anthem wasn't changed in 1978. You can imagine. So now what they are trying to tell us is this, that the reason why we have a lot of Fulani people in our town, it's not because they just want to take our town. It's not because Madam Fodio said they should take over all the town, all the villages, all the lands. But he said it's because of the national anthem that we were reciting. That if this one that they brought in had been the one Nigerian has been reciting, that bandits wouldn't have entered into our farms. My brother, my sister, what do you think? Now everybody has raised eyebrow against this man. So now this kind person, now this kind people, now then they rule us for this country. No wonder when we are thinking of how you can provide solution to banditry, you are telling us the only solution is changing national anthem, going back to the old national anthem. My brother, my sister, this man has crossed a lot of lanes. Everybody is of the opinion that Nigeria behold your Senate president, a man that talks before reasoning. The man begets small sense, a PDP governor and then senator, but since he joined APC to avoid corruption probe of stealing Akwa Ibom dry, he sold his small brain to the APC for whatever Oga at the top wants. That's serious. That's fact. Now, according to Nnamdi Wise, it says, well, Nigeria is gone. You see, we have been saying this, that nobody should tell us about one Nigeria. Everybody is now saying the same thing, that Nigeria is gone. Now let us see any elder that will come out to tell us it's restructuring we want. Don't get it twisted. Since when we started talking about the fact that anyone that talks about restructuring, pick about Alagimolori, Atigbayen gbogbo ti gbenu won dákẹ́, Atigbayen won jáde mọ́, wọ́n ti pa àwọn boys, wọ́n ti code, báwọn èèyàn ti code, àwọn youth ti code, pé nonsense làwọn ń ṣe, báwọn youth ti rí pé orí bú làwọn ń ṣe. That's exactly what we are talking about. Corruption at the helm of affairs. This is the type of leaders you have in the helm of affairs, and they still want a better Nigeria. That's exactly what it is. When we have leaders that are supposed to take care of us, that are saddled with the responsibility of doing well for us, they now be the one to be causing pains. It's not funny, my brother, my sister. They are now the one causing pains for us. So national anthem is the problem we have in this country now, Abi. In fact, a lot of people were saying this, that why would it be that out of all the things we are looking for the country to be better, it's only national anthem they now introduce to us? That is it national anthem that will put food on our table? Is it national anthem that will stop banditry? Now they are coming out to even tell us to our eyes. Wọ́n á jáde báyìí, wọ́n á jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé national anthem yẹn gangan òun ló fà táwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń pa wá pakúpa o. So nǹkan tó ń try àti sọ fún wa sí ni pé àwọn ò ní anything láti help wa pẹ̀lú láti bá àwọn Fúlàní jà. Àwọn Fúlàní gbé èkè, wọ́n ń gbé oríṣiríṣi wọlé. Ẹ̀yin ni pé ó rí gbàtà ti kọ national anthem. Kí ló kọ́ àwọn Fúlàní? Sáwọn Fúlàní lọ school ni tó ń gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ? Ṣé kí ló kọ́ àwọn Fúlàní? In fact, my brother, my sister, if you are still out there, you are still believing in one Nigeria, you are on a long thing. I hate to see elderly people talk like this. How on earth will somebody say national anthem is what can prevent banditry? What is bandit business with national anthem? Does national anthem have weapons to fight bandits? Are we working here? How does Akpabio become the Senate president? It is unheard of. Shengbo, how did he get there as a Senate president? It is not something we should hear, or another ear must hear. That's exactly why we are saying that everybody needs to go their separate ways. Everyone needs to go his separate ways, because with what is going on right now, it has shown that no help is coming from anywhere any longer. It has shown that the government is not ready to do anything for us. It has shown that everybody is on his own. Since they can say na national anthem, na him be the solution, na him go come outside, come attack Fulani. Everybody don't talk the same thing. Say wetin concern Fulani with your national anthem? You are a big disgrace to Nigerian Senate. Imagine a statement of a leader. I don't know if we can still count the number of political rascals and the mad people in Nigeria. Akpabio must be high on something. Trust me. This unfortunate and disgusting coming from the mouth of a so-called number 3 citizens. It is very wrong. Can you get that? Well, may God deliver us from these heartless leaders. That's the only thing we can talk about. Somebody is of the opinion that who gave us this kind of people, this position, please. Insecurity, corruption, and then underdevelopment in Nigeria have absolutely nothing to do with the national anthem. Abio, that's exactly what we are talking about. It has nothing to do with the national anthem. My brother, my sister, if you are still out there, anyone is telling you that one Nigeria is the solution right now, you're supposed to know that these people, this set of people, they are not ready for us at all. Right now, you are supposed to know that this set of people do not love you. Yes, the truth of the matter is that everybody must go his separate ways. Be one fell, be one call. I got to learn lower, and exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.